How to turn on or off car mode for Spotify app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on your profile option from the top left of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that. You will then see the option for car. Tap on that and further go ahead and toggle on or toggle off the toggle button for car mode based on your preference. Remember that once activated, car mode simplifies Spotify's user interface, offering larger buttons and reduced functionality to minimize distractions. So, this is how you can turn on or off car mode for Spotify app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.